So I thought I would start off telling you how I managed to garden during COVID. As you can see, we worked around the backyard. We didn't do very much. We had the garden put in, but we were just learning how to garden in that first year or two. So my friend Bill from Schubert's Landscaping came and brought me some chicken manure after he laughed at my garden because it wasn't doing anything. He kindly brought the chicken manure over and worked it into the ground and showed me how to do it. So I learned how to fertilize the garden and to get it growing because my first little plants were cut from Pantry. So when I started looking for pictures for 2023 and 2024, I only had a few pictures because COVID was being lifted, we were being freed, and we were doing some cruising, not a lot of gardening. I didn't really get back into gardening until 2025. Which brings us to right now, and this is where we are. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please